Switching Drake, I heard he got that, so we need all of those. 1, 2, 3.
Gee, finally got done. Just cut and buffed it, so now it's raining, so it's nasty out right now. About to take it to the dealer, get Mello to finish everything up. As for like the axle and stuff, so yeah, it's looking good, yo. Yeah, we about to drop it off the dealer and about to load the car up. And like I said, I'm not gonna keep showing you guys this loading process. Guide them. Oh shit, hold on. The box. Yep, already loaded up. As you can see, it was a quick load up. Just on the way to the dealer now. Get it along. Unload, getting gas in there because I know it's on E. Dealership right there, so I'm about to just unload it here and just drive it over. So yep, give me a second. I'm about to unload and get right back to you. Unstrapped up. You take the car off the trailer. Starts with no problem. Man, what the hell is this cop doing? Oh man, we're going to jail. Start her up. Nice and quiet. It's like, might be a little too quiet. Yeah, so you gotta walk around to the car looking real good. Oh yeah, so going off to the dealer. Off there she go. I'm gonna have Mello record what he could record. And yeah, dang, I see that front wheel. That joint needs alignment.
Here we got the Copart Special SRT Grand Cherokee. Really didn't record the process, but got the lowering springs on. Fixed the bad radiator hose we had. Gonna flush the coolant, check all the fluids and stuff. About to install this steering wheel, and yeah, I'll get back to y'all once it's all done. The airbag out. We're gonna disconnect the connectors and pull the wheel out. Now that I have the steering wheel out, I could take out all the controls, the buttons, and the wiring and transfer it over to the new carbon wheel. All right, got everything swapped over to the new steering wheel, airbag on, paddle shifters, and all the controls. Now to get this thing onto the alignment rack.
So yeah, pulled up to the dealer. As you can see, picking up the Jeep SRT. So yeah, let's see, it's finally done. Got the alignment, lowering springs, and the carbon steering wheel installed. So what's left is to paint the wheels, get it registered, and get it retinted. There we go, Mello. Shit, fucker. And Mello. Damn. It's not my Durango. Man, they all look good. What's this? SRT? Man, the yellow calipers and track hawk rims. I need his rims. Last call. God, man, fresh pup. $392. Yeah, this the pup we came for. Sirski. All done.
Remember that wheel was super crazy.
Mm-hmm. Lower it. Yeah. His and hers, y'all. Nice and quiet. Dropping off. So picking up this, dropping off this. So this getting a whole new suspension, new rear tires, exhaust is rattling, getting exhaust donut, the whole 9 yards. So you're dropping this off, picking up this. So as you see, One of my wheels is black and the rest is silver. Yep. But take this home and give my little keys. So yeah, y'all. First drive on the highway. Driving good. Smooth. A little stiff. I don't know if it just is the suspensions that's making it stiff, but it is a little stiff. I don't know if that's a good thing, but I don't know. It's a daily driven, so I don't know if I like the stiffness. Maybe it gotta settle down. So yeah, about to cross over the bridge, about to head back home. And yeah, catch up with y'all tomorrow, give y'all a full look around the car, and yeah, see y'all soon. So yeah, it's the next day. Just got the car registered. You see, I get the tent removed and everything, so I'm fishbowl right now. I'll take this rim off just to paint it so I can have one side, at least, you know what I mean? Not just 3 rims, so it'll be, you look on this side black and the other side silver. I'm just doing that just for now, just to drive around to get my suspension situated with my tires, new tires and everything. That's when I'm gonna get the rims repainted and stuff, but for now, this would do just gonna paint one side, and so right now I'm gonna just sand it down, get all this out. Man, this thing is looking crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one side sanded out and paint it. And so at least this side would be all black, and the other side would be 2 matching wheels. But like I said, this is just a temporary thing, so don't grind me up. Quick sand down. Like I said, this is a temporary thing, guys. This is really gonna be my spare wheel. I'm about to order another wheel so it can match, but this is gonna be my spare wheel, so I'm not too worried about it. Like I said, I just did minimum sanding. Then they took all the curb rash off, all the big chunks of that was all messed up. So yeah, I'm about to just rattle can it. I got a regular paint match black, nothing too crazy. So I'm about to just spray this real quick and show you. Light coat. Let that dry up. Throw another coat on there.
One eternity later.
All right, guys, fast forward some time. Got the rim painted and put it on. Like I said, it looks good. Doesn't look the best from real close, but from right here, you wouldn't be able to tell. But yeah, like I said, I just only wanted, to get these 2 wheels matching, and that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm about to go get the windows tinted. Meet Tim over there. He's gonna shoot a cinematic, so show the whole car. Meet you at VIP for the tints.
Switch and Drake, I heard he got that, so we need all of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bro, we got all the posts.
We got a lot done in this video. Got the car registered. Got tints redone. Earlier I had to pull it off to get the car registered. We got 5 on the side, 35s in the front. I did get the wheel. Like I said earlier, like I seen earlier, I painted the wheel, so at least it can match the whole one side. So this side is blacked out. That side still got the 2. We did finish the lowering spring, so the truck do sit nice now. And what else did we do? Axles. The axle's done, so yeah, the car. Next mod. Oh yeah, the steering wheel is done as well. What y'all think about the steering wheel? And yeah. Let me know what y'all think about the car. What y'all think? Should I leave it, paint the wheels all black, or do it silver? Like this side.
This is black. And this is silver.
Silver, so let's get the front angle, bro. Front angle hit harder. So what y'all think? Y'all think it looks better with the silver wheels? Or you come on this side with the black? Black hard too. All black always look good. Yeah, y'all let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. I mean, I'm kind of indecisive right now, so I might just leave it one side black and one side silver. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
2B jeans, double G up on my feet, I pop out trim. My bitch got some ass, ain't over thick, but shorty low-key slim. This ain't this and that, can't treat me like no goofy, I ain't him.